The male urethra is a tube that plays a crucial role in both the urinary and reproductive systems. It serves as a common passageway for the passage of urine from the bladder and semen from the reproductive organs. Let's discuss about a male urethra in detail in this video. Anatomy and location. Structure. The male urethra is a long, muscular tube that runs from the base of the bladder to the external urethral orifice, located at the tip of the penis. Length. The length of the male urethra can vary, but it is typically around 20 to 25 centimeters, 8 to 10 inches, long. Divisions of the male urethra. The male urethra is divided into three main sections, each with distinct functions. Prostatic urethra. This segment passes through the prostate gland and is responsible for the passage of semen. It receives contributions from the ejaculatory ducts and prostatic glands. Membranous urethra. This short portion of the urethra passes through the perineum, the area between the scrotum and anus, and is surrounded by the external sphincter muscle. It is the most fixed portion of the urethra. Spongy, penile, urethra. The spongy urethra is the longest segment, running through the penis. It is responsible for the passage of both urine and semen and is surrounded by erectile tissue. Functions of the male urethra. Urinary function. The male urethra serves as a conduit for the passage of urine from the bladder to the external environment. During urination, the urinary sphincters relax, allowing urine to flow through the urethra and exit the body. Reproductive function. In addition to its urinary function, the male urethra plays a critical role in the reproductive system. During ejaculation, it serves as a conduit for the passage of semen, which is a mixture of sperm and various fluids from the accessory glands, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's glands. Transport of semen. The spongy urethra, in particular, is involved in transporting semen from the reproductive organs to the external environment, facilitating the delivery of sperm into the female reproductive tract during sexual intercourse. Lubrication. The spongy urethra also contributes to the lubrication of the urethra during sexual arousal and ejaculation. Urethral health and disorders. The male urethra is susceptible to various conditions and disorders, including infections such as urethritis, strictures, narrowing of the urethra, and trauma. Urethritis, which can be caused by sexually transmitted infections, STIs, or other factors, can lead to discomfort, pain, and changes in urinary habits. Strictures may require medical intervention, such as dilation or surgery, to alleviate the constriction of the urethra. Trauma to the urethra can occur due to injury or medical procedures and may also necessitate medical treatment. In summary, the male urethra is a vital structure that serves dual functions in the urinary and reproductive systems. It allows for the passage of urine and semen and plays a crucial role in the process of ejaculation and the transport of sperm during sexual intercourse. Maintaining urethral health is important for overall well-being and reproductive function.